So this subdivision out here of new build homes, Rio Rancho, D.R. Horton's the builder. This particular model is called the Hummingbird. We have some floor plans of this, and the other one we're going to look at shortly. These are around 376 to 380. This one's 1,553 square feet. I asked the guy how much these would rent for. He gave me a range of like 1,800 to 2,200. I don't know how much the HOA is. I'll ask him when I go back to the office. One thing nice about these homes is you're not buying somebody else's problem. The downside to this particular subdivision, it's quite far removed from downtown Surprise, although this area is starting to get built up and there's a lot of new construction out here. So somebody who wants to rent out here, obviously it's very close to the freeway or the highway, but it's further away from Surprise than the previous homes that we showed you earlier today. So we'll take a look at this too.